welcome back to the channel. My name is Rensa, also known as Sasa, and today we are using the Tymo Ring Plus. I'm so excited to use this, guys, to straighten my hair. So before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and there would be a link in the bio if you want to check it out as well. So once I open this box, give me a moment. Okay, let's see what we got in here. We have, let me open this real quick. Oh my gosh, a cute, upside down. A cute scalp massager. We have the glove to use for the straightener, and this, the Tymo brush itself. Just to get a good look at it. I also received some clips to separate my hair. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. So I just want to let you guys know I washed my hair and I blow dried with the Rev Air. I'm going to start in small sections and work my way up. This is the first piece I have tested it on. I'm going to show you. This is a blown out portion. I use small sections and I put it on 390. You can get close to the root and go slowly.
NCI music.
Don't do too many passes, but just trying to get it as sleek as I can. A cool thing about this straightener brush is that it detangles and straightens your hair at the same time. So I find that very convenient as well. I just love the way it glides through my hair without any snagging or pulling on my hair. And let me know in the comments if you like your hair bone straight or to have a little volume. I still like to have a little volume when straightening my hair. I like to avoid heat damage as much as I can, so that is how I am going to do my hair today. The Tymo brush is supposed to give a sleek, straight look faster than the flat iron and is much more gentler on the curls. It has adjustable heat settings and is designed in a way where it can't really burn your scalp.
NCI music. NCI music.
This glove is very helpful. And one thing I love about the Tymo brush is that it is lightweight. So I get the ends a little bit. I'm already like halfway done, which is really cool. I'm finishing faster than I thought. Very surprised with this brush. It's very cute. I love the design, very lightweight, efficient. Let me just unbraid this braid. I thought this might be a better view for you guys, so this is my hair blow dried. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. Standing on my tippy toes, y'all. Standing on my tippy toes to give y'all this nice view. It's mainly the ends I need to get.
NCI Music.
Here are some pros on using this straightener brush.
NCI.
I like how it is gentle on the hair, quick to use, and doesn't really snag on my hair. Last braid. The cons would be that if you are looking for bone straight hair, you can either adjust the heat to a higher setting or do more passes to get it even more straight. It definitely stretches your hair really well. So is it worth it? Well, honestly, for me, it is definitely worth it. And especially if you are looking for a way to straighten your hair without frying it, and it gets the job done pretty quickly. If you have tried the Tymo Straightener Brush, please let me know in the comments what was your experience with it. So this is my hair. I'm going to do one more pass on each side. Gotta be careful.
NCI Music.
Y'all, I'm not an expert on straightening hair, but I'm still learning, so yeah. So here is the results that I've got. I like it a lot. It's nice, smooth, still voluminous, like I like. Here is the back of my hair. Hey y'all, so today is the next day and I'm going to show you how my hair looks like now and see if I maintained my hair really well overnight. I put a wig cap on to make sure my hair stays flat. Let's see guys, let's see. And I had put clips in as well. I don't know if I should brush it out.
NCI Music.
So these are the final results. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see from me. Bye!